In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Google Flow language. By the end, you'll know exactly how to update your Google account language so Google Flow reflects your preferred language across its interface. First, open your browser and search for Google account. From the results, choose the official Google account page. This is the easiest way to get to your account settings without memorizing a URL. Next, select Google account. Sign in. If you're already signed in, you'll jump straight to your account dashboard. If not, sign in with your usual credentials. Signing in ensures the language change applies to your profile and carries over to Google Flow. Once you're in your account, look for the personal info section. This is where Google keeps core preferences about you and your account, including language, which controls how Google surfaces text across many of its products. Inside personal info, find the language area. This section determines your primary display language and in many cases the regional formatting you'll see for things like dates and numbers. We're going to adjust the primary language here so Flow picks it up. Choose the option to change language. This will open a selector where you can search and pick your preferred language. Using the search bar is often faster than scrolling, especially if you're looking for a specific regional variant. Type the language you want. If there are multiple versions like regional dialects or country-specific formats, select the one that best matches your needs. Keep in mind, choosing a right-to-left language will reorient some interface elements, which is expected. Also select the primary language first. You can usually add secondary languages later if you want content suggestions in more than one language. When you're happy with your selection, click Save. You should see a brief confirmation. Changes often take effect quickly, but it can take a moment to propagate across all Google services. If something still appears in the old language, don't worry. Give it a few seconds. Now go to Google Flow and refresh the page. If you already had Flow open, simply reload the tab. Most of the interface should update to your newly selected language. If it doesn't appear immediately, try another quick refresh or open Flow in a new tab. Because Flow follows your Google account language, once your account preference is updated, the change will reflect here as well. That's it. You've updated your account language and refreshed Google Flow to match. If you ever want to switch again, revisit the same language setting and repeat these steps.